of Main Street Station, room 724. This is a king room. As you come in, you've got your mirror on the left hand side, and you've got a nice closet. It's an open closet, but it's quite big. Plenty of hanging space. You've got your ironing board, yeah, and then you've got a mirror, a little chair, or a little bench. So we put our cases in the way of it, you can't really see it. And then you've got morning. You've got your mirror. A sink is on the outside of the bathroomy area, so you've got a toilet and shower with all the products on the wall. Full-size shower, sliding door. It's pretty good. And then as you come out, we've got the king-size bed, 2 lamps. You have got outlets on there, so there's USBs on there, and there's a power socket on the other side. And then we've got a telly and drawer space, and in this cupboard we've got the safe, and we've also got our own fridge, which is great. So then you've got a little writing desk. Jess will be using that to do her makeup, and you've got a little chair which looks quite comfy, and our view is of the freeway. You've got these little sort of blinds that you can move to keep the light out, and they do open as well. And that's our view. We're here for 2 nights comped. We're only going to stay one of them, but that's the room tour of Main Street Station King Room. Thanks for watching.